is Shivangi. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to create this look. This is one of the 3 looks that I have planned for Diwali. And it's also a very simple look to do, guys. I really hope that you enjoy watching this tutorial. Before I begin the tutorial, I just wanted to mention that we have a giveaway going on our channel. And if you want to participate, then you can go to the community tab of our channel and then see all the details of the giveaway. The winners will be announced on the 30th of November. So if you did not know about this yet and you want to participate, then go to the community tab and check out all the details. Also, the links of all the products which I'll be using for this tutorial plus timestamps for the eyeshadow tutorial will be in the description box below, so definitely check it out. And that's it. Without further ado, let's begin. Alright, so let's begin with the primer. I'll use Colorbar Perfect Match Primer. Next, for concealer, I'll use PAC Take Cover Concealer in the shade Butterscotch. And now with a PAC 219 brush, I'll start blending the concealer. Also, guys, a lot of you told me that you're not finding PAC brushes and some other products which I use on Nykaa. The thing is that they are available on PAC's official website. I also don't buy a lot of PAC stuff from Nykaa. I actually buy them from their website because Nykaa doesn't have much of their range on their app. So anything that you're not finding on Nykaa, usually I just always leave a link. If I do find that product on Nykaa, I do leave a link, but anything that you don't find on Nykaa, just check PAC's website. You will find it there for sure. Also, I forgot to mention that I always dab the brush under my eyes and I don't drag it for fuller coverage. Next, for base, I'll use a mix of PAC Strobing Cream in the shade Peach and Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the shade 128 Warm Nude. So I've kind of mixed the two at the back of my hand. And now, this is a Pro Art AF03 brush. With this brush, I'll start applying it on my skin. This is a good foundation brush, guys, but it does not really work that well with foundations which have a thinner consistency. It leaves streaks if the foundation is really thin. You can of course use a beauty sponge to do this. All I'm saying is that this brush does not work with all foundations. For some foundations, it's really good though. Next, to set my base, I'll use Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade Light Medium. I'm going to use the Tati Beauty Blenderful which I have to apply it. You can use a brush or any other puff that you have. Next, for contouring, I'll use Nykaa Contour and Conquer. I'm going to very lightly contour my cheekbones and my jawline with this product. And after contouring, I'm just going to take a little bit more of this powder, the Fit Me powder, and just clean up this area. It just gives a neater look to your contour. Moving on to eyebrows, I'll use Lakme Micro Brow Perfector in the shade Coffee. As always, I'm going to brush my eyebrows downwards. Then I draw out this upper shape and brush them upwards and then fill out all the gaps. After both my eyebrows are filled out, I'm going to do this little Huda Beauty hack which I do, which is taking a little bit of the setting powder and apply it on my eyebrows. Very little, not too much of it. This hack keeps your eyebrows in place for a long time, and plus it makes them look a bit more natural. But do ensure that you're dusting off the powder properly, otherwise it can look odd. For eyeshadow today, I'm using Maybelline City Mini Palette in the shade Urban Jungle. Okay, so I've already done 90% of the work on this eyelid. We're going to start with this one. First, I'm going to take this shade from the palette and I'm going to apply it on the outer corner of my eyelid like this, slant. You should flick your brush like this so that you get like a proper slant line over here. And we are going to build this color. Once you have this in place, I'm going to take a fluffy brush and I'm going to blend this corner a little bit with this brush. We will clean this look up later as well, but for now I'm just diffusing the shade a little. Next, I'm going to take an eyeshadow brush and I'm going to take a little bit of makeup fixer on the palette. So this is NYX Dewy Finish Spray. I'm going to dip the brush in that makeup fixer and I'm going to pick this shade from the palette with this brush. I'm going to apply it on the center of my eyelid. Now I'm just going to clean this brush with a tissue and I'm going to dip it in more makeup fixer which we took on the palette. Then I'm going to dip the brush in this shade, and this is the shade which we'll apply on the rest of the empty area. That's it. You can't see the shine of the shimmery shade when I'm looking straight in front of the camera, but it is actually nicely packed on my eyelid. Now, to clean this look up, first I'm going to take the same dark shade which we applied on the outer corner. I'm going to again apply it on the outer corner of my eyelid. Very lightly running the brush on my crease as well. Once we have this, I'm going to use my ring finger and take this olive green shade with my ring finger. We're not going to use a wet brush again. And I'm going to pat this color again on the center of my eyelid, and with my finger itself I'm going to blend it with this lighter shimmery shade that we applied on the eyelid. Okay, I just wanted to give you a closer look. This is how your eyelids will look like at this point of time. Next, I'm going to take a fluffy brush and I'm going to run it through my crease one more time. With that final step, the eyelids are complete. Now we'll get to the lower lash line, and for that I'm again going to take this darker green shade and I'm applying it halfway through my lower lash line. And lastly, I'm actually going to use an eyeliner for this look, but before I apply the eyeliner, I'm going to create a wing liner with a Kajal pencil, like a very thin wing liner. So first I'm going to create this line near my lash line. And then I'm going to create a small wing with this Kajal. Just a very small wing, like not like a very big wing or anything. Oh, I'm using K Beauty's Spade Kajal to do this. Now I'll tell you why I applied the Kajal pencil before using the eyeliner. If you do that, your eyeliner stays on your eyelid for a very long time. It does last very long, guys, because you know, you have created a base with a Kajal and then you're applying the eyeliner. It is not going to fade. And for eyeliner, I'm going to use Faces Canada Matte Made in Heaven Sketch Liner. And that's it. I've created a nice and thick wing liner on both of my eyelids. Now I'm going to wear false lashes, but before that I'm going to apply one coat of mascara, and for that I'll use Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. Next I'll use Lakme Absolute Kohl Ultimate Kajal Pencil. And before wearing the falsies, I'm going to apply this Kajal pencil on my upper waterline and lower waterline halfway through. Just this much. Now I'll quickly wear false lashes off camera and come back. I'm done applying the false lashes. You'll find the details of these lashes in the description box below. Next we'll get to the blush and highlight. For blush, I'm using Colorbar Cheek Illusion Blush in the shade Sweet Scarlet. And for highlighter, I'll use Faces Canada Ultime Pro Illuminating Powder. With this powder, first I'm going to highlight the inner corners of my eyes and my brow bone. And then I'll highlight all the high points of my face. For my lips, I'll use Lakme Absolute 3D Matte Lipstick in the shade Plum Spell. And as a last and final step, I'll use NYX Dewy Finish Makeup Fixer. Alright, now I'm gonna let this dry up, quickly get ready and come back. The daylight is almost gone and I have to finish this video before the daylight completely goes. I'll be back. And that's it, guys. This is the final look. I have legit run out of Indian wear to actually wear for my videos. I do have a decent collection, like not a lot but enough to pass by. But during the series, I think I've worn almost all the kurtas that I have. So I just decided that I'm gonna just wear my white kurta and change dupattas. That's what I'm gonna do when I cannot find anything absolutely different to wear. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then don't forget to leave it a like. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, then ensure that you do. I keep posting makeup related content and video updates on my Instagram handle. That is also one of the terms of our giveaway. I'll leave all the links in the pinned comment of the comment section below. Also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel already, then please subscribe to our channels. We've got 3 channels in the English and Bengali, and your support would mean the world to us, guys. And with that, I'm gonna sign off for now. I shall see you in the next one. The daylight is almost gone. Bye. Mwah.